Okay, guys. Hey, this is Coral Blue bringing forth another video. I was grounding up eggshells. I had this idea like a week ago, and I'm going to put these outside because I see a plant needs some nutrients. So what better way to show the plant I love them by, giving them nutrients. So I mean, I guess I can show you how. It's really simple. I just take an eggshell. I don't really care about taking like all of that out and emptying it. Maybe after the third shell. This is a third shell. A cough cough. But I just take it and make sure that the big pieces are broken up. You can see that. And then after it's pretty much broken down to a size that I'm comfortable with, I'll start going around in a circle. The tool I'm using is called Mortar and Pestle. Pestle. God, you could correct me in the comments. I don't care. As far as I care, we're here for truth. And if you know what you're doing and you know what the instruments are called, just be free to put that in the comment section. There's no hate here. Alright, so it's kind of weird doing this with the phone, trying to keep it steady, but here, let me just do it like that. Alright, and so I twist it. You can see my hand going inward like this, but I'm not overextending myself. It's very simple. You don't have to think too hard about it. It's a very meditative motion. If you got something on your mind, you want to grind something up into a powder or whatever you're using this for, just mortar and pestle. They have wood. This is marble that I'm using here. Please don't mind the space. I just started doing this and thought, hey, I should make a video. So if you're a little picky about like just little things like that, maybe you shouldn't watch my channel. But this is authentic people life here. So authentic people life. What the heckin'? This is everyday life, and sometimes everyday life doesn't look all peaches and cream. You see I'm going around in a circle. There is another video I like to make about wrapping sage, and I'll be doing that shortly because I'm excited about that. Alright, so you're starting to see that it looks pretty fine. You may be asking me, why don't you just throw the eggshell out there? Well, I could do that, you're right, but I've noticed that when you just throw eggshells out, they don't really like decompose quickly. It takes them a while. and this plant really does need nutrients, so I'm just gonna, you know, help it out, help the gosh, we'll say weathering erosion. Weathering erosion a little bit. You know, in nature, usually it's up, animal steps on it, or trees fall, branches fall on top of other objects, and things break, things wear out. It's looking good. Makes them happy. Oh. So, depending on how much you care, or how heavy what's on your mind, to how fine these eggshells will be, it is what it is. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and empty this. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you, I guess you'd say, grind up eggshells. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and thank the common chicken for producing eggs so that I can grind them up, and so that I can give it back to Earth, so that it can help the plants that produce oxygen. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you know more about this, and if you want to comment, or if you have tried this out, just go ahead and let me know in the comments. And again, it was nice chatting. Have a great day.